So when you're working in Blender, you might sometimes bring in a model and it shows up as a bunch of different parts. Like the head is separate, the hands are separate, even the body is separate. And at first it looks fine, but the moment you try to move it, only one piece moves and the rest just stay there. It's kind of frustrating. But here's the thing, fixing this is actually super simple. All you need to do is go into object mode, select all the pieces of your model, the head, the hands, the body, everything, then right click and choose join. Or if you prefer shortcuts, just hit Ctrl plus J. And just like that, Blender merges everything into one single object. Now when you move it, the entire model moves together. Much easier to work with, and it saves a lot of time, especially if you're new to Blender. So yeah, that's it. A quick and easy trick to keep in mind the next time your model